Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jonathan here at Kalkstein Chiropractic, your Baltimore area chiropractor. Today, we're going to learn 3 stretches that you can do for upper back at your desk. So the first one we have right here. We're going to have your elbows on your desk. Hopefully you have a rolling chair because you're going to push that chair away from the desk while imagine dropping your chest, sinking to that floor to really get some good extension in that upper back, because a lot of times when we sit, we're in a flex position. I'm over exaggerating, but this movement will just help restore some of that extension in the upper back. And then the next one, if you guys follow us on Instagram, you know all about the McKenzie's. So we're going to start with a chin retraction straight back, and then you're going to look all the way up to the ceiling. When you feel like you can't go anymore, kind of do a little wiggle with your head to get a little bit more end range. That one you could do for about 10 repetitions per session. The first one also about 10 repetitions as well. And then the last one is a really good stretch for your traps. So having the chair, using it as an anchor with your hand, grabbing with your right hand on the side of the chair, and then bring your left ear to your shoulder and stretching that right trap all through here. If you have any questions of stretches for the upper back or in general of chiropractic care, just write them in the post below, and thanks for watching.